Thanks to improvements in cattle breeding and feeding, as well as enhanced trimming practices, beef is now leaner than ever. And with essential nutrients like protein, iron, and zinc, lean beef is nutritious and can fit into a heart-healthy meal plan. Favorites like top sirloin, tenderloin, strip steak, and flank steak are considered lean when cooked with visible fat removed. So get creative and enjoy different cuts of beef. Whip up a quick and nourishing meal with these flavor-packed Greek-style beef pitas. Cut beef sirloin tip steaks into strips and season with lemon pepper. Cook in a skillet with vegetable oil and set aside. Spread hummus and whole grain pita pockets, then fill with beef and toppings like cucumber, red onion, and feta. For this recipe and more information on lean beef, visit bigwide.com. Until next time, be well.